In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a VGA monitor to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As of today, no PlayStation 4 model features a VGA port. However, you can still use your PlayStation 4 in conjunction with a VGA monitor. To do this, you will need to use the proper adapter. So the adapter will allow you to establish a connection between the monitor and the console. So what you have to do is purchase one of these HDMI to VGA adapters. You can find them on places like Amazon for cheap. So look for HDMI to VGA adapters and purchase one. You will plug the HDMI end of the adapter into the PlayStation 4, so plug it into the port available here on your console. And the other end will allow you to plug a standard VGA cable. So plug a VGA cable directly into the adapter. The other end of the VGA cable will go into the monitor. So there's no secret to this. You establish a connection by plugging one end of the cable into the adapter and the other one into the monitor. Make sure that the monitor is receiving the necessary amount of power, usually through an external power supply, and that it is powered on. If it is powered on, you select VGA as the source and it is plugged into the PlayStation 4, also powered on. Using the necessary adapter, you will be good to go. It is going to work and the image from your PlayStation 4 will be transferred over to your monitor. So to keep it simple, all that you need is a standard VGA cable, an HDMI to VGA adapter, and you connect them both together. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.